Hi friends, hope you are all doing good. Today I'll show you how to add filters onto your Shopify store. So this is not using any app or anything from our Shopify navigation itself. Now there is an option to add filters. So these filters you can fetch up your variants and the options, the availability, price, and all those from our Shopify admin panel itself, and we can fetch it and show it into the front end on the collections page. So let us see how we can do that.
Onto the Shopify admin panel, you have to go to online store. There you can see a navigation. Go to navigation. See, there is a new option here called filters here. Earlier it was only these menus were there. Now filters is there. So this is from where we will be adding the filters. So if you click on add filter, what you will see is these options. So these options like the availability, price, product type and vendor is coming from the products itself. Based on how we add it on the admin panel, the availability, if it is available, the filter will show. When you select the filter, those are available, then it will show those products which are available, otherwise it will show as out of stock. Then the price range will show. All those things will be fetched from the products itself, the product type and vendor. Also based on the brand of the product, also the filtering will occur. So now let us just try to add these two, availability and price, and I click on save. Now we go to our admin panel, sorry, the storefront. Now you see the two filters have come here, available, in stock and out of stock. So automatically these will come there. So in stock, when you filter it, all those products which are in stock will show. Then out of stock means which are not in stock will show over there, which are sold out. Then based on the price also, the price range also can be seen from here. So I want to see products which are ranging from 100 to 500. Then those products which are in that range will show here. Now let us set some other filters as well. So when you click on add filters, these fields also you can set, like the color and the size of the products, the filter. So let us just try adding the color and size. See, now those filters have come up over there. Okay, so how to show the colors over here, I'll show you now. So you go to your product, for example here, and you have to add variants for this. This is coming from the product variants actually. So here we give the name color, the options values, if I am giving blue, and I save it. Now if you come back to your store, onto the catalog, if you see the blue color also have come. So if I click on blue color, that product where I have added the option as blue will come there. Same like this purple and white, for example, let me show you purple one. This bag I have added it over here as the tag as purple color, not the tag, sorry, the variant colors as purple color, purple and white. So these two, when somebody clicks on white or purple, the filter will work this way. Size is also the same way. The variants that we add over here, these variants will show up on the filter size. So small, medium, large, XL, these are the variants that I have added here. So those products will show that. So let's say, just let us just say, for example, the size 1 for a small size, those products which are having the size small will show up over here.